Alright, so here we have several air conditioners and heat pumps running. I finally came over here to catch this one in cool mode. So last year I didn't really bother. I don't know, last year was kind of dull. So right there. That is very cold, very, very cold. Cold. That's how you know it's good. It's carrier too. I'm taking pictures of all these. Here's the Ruud achiever. This rattles. See where it rattles? Right there. Stop it. Scroll. Or Copa number 6. Sorry. US Motors. 2022, 2.5 ton RP14. You know, some of that trash actually smells good. Right there, open scroll, there's trash in it. 2016, 5 ton. By the way, I caught that one defrosting. And then both of these defrosting. This one 3 times, this one once. Caught that defrosting twice, I think. Yeah. 2021, 5 ton. Oh wow, it's actually not that cold. Interesting. Carrier Sentry, Bryant, pretty sure Bryant. LG Scroll, 2016, 3 ton. Alright, this one hasn't had the best life though, to be honest. So yeah, so these are all over here. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.